Hello everyone. From this class, we are going to discuss about the topic of astrology, rather Vedic astrology. As an introduction to the beginners of this vast knowledge of the Vedas, let us first acquaint ourselves with the zodiacal sky. Today we'll also discuss about the lunar days, that is the Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, etc. The Shukla and the Krishna Paksha. In Manipuri, they are called Nongma paanba, Nini paanba, Humni paanba, and so on, like Pankhalakpa and the Sitarakpa. So, as you can see from here, uh, this is the zodiacal sky. Okay, the zodiac as you can see in the sky with the ecliptic or the sunspot, okay, the part of the sun as seen from the earth, okay, as seen from the earth, geocentric, as seen from the earth, not like this. Yes, this earth rotate revolves around the sun, but from the zodiacal point, we will take the earth as earth as a center, and so from the earth, the earth as a point of reference, we'll take the ecliptic or the sunspot as seen from the earth as ecliptic. Okay, this line is called ecliptic, the sunspot, and 9 degree to both sides of this ecliptic. The expansion of that area of 9 degree to both sides of the ecliptic is called the zodiac. So zodiac from the earth as a center will be a complete circle which is of 360 degree, but it is divided into 12 rashis or signs of 30 degree each. 12 into 30 equal to 360 degree. Each sign or rashi has a name. So we have the Arish or the Mesha. The second one is the Brishabh or the Taurus, the Mithun or the Gemini, the third, the fourth, Karkat or the Cancer, the fifth, Singha or the Leo, the sixth, Kanya or the Virgo, the seventh, Libra or Tula, eighth, Scorpio or Vrishik, ninth, Sagittarius or Dhanush, 10th, Capricorn or Makar, 11th, Aquarius or Kumbh, and the last, 12th, Pisces or Meena. So, actually, the sun will take one solar year to return to the initial position. Okay, and when the moon and the sun are at the same point, it starts the first day of the moon. And when the moon is at 12th degree away from the sun, 12th degree away, within 12th degree, that is called the Prathama, the first day of the lunar month, the Nongma paanba. It is within 12th degree. So when the moon is at 12th degree to 24th degree, then it is called the Nini paanba, or the second day of the lunar month, or the Dvitiya, and so on with 12 degree range, because 12 into 30 is 360 degree, because the moon has to return back again, as well as sun is also moving. So when the moon and the sun, when they meet again the next time, it will be the start of the next month. 12 into 30 is again 360 degrees, isn't it? So then when it is at 180 degree, when the moon is at 180 degree away from the sun, it is called Purnima, the full moon. Then starts the Krishna Paksha. Then Krishna Paksha will start, the Sitarakpa will start, the moon going nearer to the sun. Okay? Is it okay? So, and then if it starts the next month, then it will go away from the sun, it's 180 degree away from the sun, and then come, and the sun will also be moving at the same time. Okay, so when the new month starts, the sun and the moon will be somewhere here again. Let's have a look to fully understand the picture. You see here the sun and the moon is somewhat at the same place. Now the moon is in Kanya or Virgo. That's why if somebody is born in this time, then it will be Kanya Rashi born, the moon sign. Okay, the moon, the sun is also there, sun Rashi also there. Now the Chandra Masha, Ashwin Masha, it is a Shukla Paksha because it will be, this moon will be moving away from the sun till reach the Purnima or the 180 degree. Okay, now the Tithi is Prathama. Let's have a move one by day per day. Okay, now I move plus 1 day here. You can see that the moon, the angle it forms with the sun is now 21 degree. So it is within the range of 24 degree, 12 to 24. So it will be Dvitya, 12 to 24, second day. Okay, 24 to 36, third day. This is the Tritya or the Humni Panda. And so and it goes on. So it's still Shukla, the Pankalakpa, the waxing. It'll reach the Purnima or the full moon. So I move again. Then you can see here it is still Shukla and the day is now Tritya because the angle is now 32 degree between. Okay. So between what? 36 to 48. Yes. And it is the fourth, the Chaturthi. Still a Shukla. Look at, but the sun is also moving. Okay. The moon is moving, the sun is moving. Next by next, we reach the Panchami. Angle is 56 degree, within 60 degree. Okay, 48 to 60 degree. Then, so it moves on. The sun is also moving. Look, the sun is also moving. We start from the Kanya Rashi. Okay, when the Ashwin Mas started, Ashwin month. Now, let's see where the Purnima is. Now it's almost Purnima, isn't it? Now it's 180 degree. Have we reached the 180 degree? Okay, we have crossed the 180 degree. Am I right? We've crossed the 180. It's now 181 degree. So since it is more than 180 degree now, it will be in the Krishna Paksha. In this Paksha, Krishna Paksha, Sitarakpa, the waning moon. Okay. So it goes on, it's the Purnima, then the Krishna Paksha. So let's see. Then this is the Panchami, but it is the Panchami of the Krishna Paksha. Okay. It is the Krishna Dwadashi, the 12th after the full moon. The 12th after the full moon is called Dwadashi. Tithi Dwadashi. Krishna Dwadashi. The 13th from the full moon is Trayodashi. The 14th from the full moon is Chaturdashi. You look here, it's now 14. Now when we reach here, it is the Krishna Amavasya. Okay. Now, almost the sun and the moon is now in the same position, but the Rashi has changed. Look, they were together in the starting of the moon in the Kanya Rashi. Now, the sun has changed Rashi. It is now in Libra or Tula. Okay, because from Kanya we reach Tula. Plus 1 day. Now the moon is with the sun together again, but in a different Rashi. It is the start of the next month, which is the Kartik month. Now again it is Shukla. So it goes on like this. Let's see the full moon now in this Kartik month. Okay, let's see. Because we miss in the, yeah, again, yeah, it's moving. Again, it's already crossed the, because I have clicked many a time. So again, we reach the new moon again, the next month. Okay, now it is, yes, it is a Mrigasira. So the moon and the sun is now together again. Together again means the angle is starting from 0 to 12. It will be the Prathama. So it is angle 7 degree somewhere. Okay. So from the earth, you see, from the earth, the sun and the moon. Very near angle, 7 degree. Starting from 0 to 12, it will be the Prathama, the Nongma Paanba, or the Mrigasira month. The Paksha is again Sukla. So I will click one. This is one, okay. So I will click maybe till 2, 3, yes, 4, 5, Chatuthi, Panchami 5, 6, Shashti, 7, Shaptami. Now it is an angle. You look at the angle, okay. It's determined by the angle. You divide it by 12 and it will give you the number of the days of the lunar month. Okay. If you divide plus 1, the quotient plus 1 will give you. So when it's now Dashami, okay. Now it is Dwadashi, 12. This is 13, Trayodashi. This is 14, Chaturdashi. Okay. Now this is the 15th Purnima. What is the angle? 171 degree. Because from 168 to 180 degree range, it will be the Purnima. Okay. So it is within the Purnima. When it crosses this Purnima, we will be under the Krishna Paksha, the Sitarakpa, the waning moon. Yes, it's now in the Krishna Paksha. Now look here, it is the Prathama of the Krishna Paksha. The first day from the full moon. Okay, it's still Prathama, but it is the Krishna Prathama. So it goes on. This is the introduction to the Zodiacal Sky. I will be again with the next class, further refining or further illustrating more in this case. Hope it is a good start with all of you together. Thank you.